The states and their territories are specified in the dash of the constitution. The correct answer is A, first schedule. So the list of states and union territories is mentioned in the first schedule of the constitution of India. And first schedule of the constitution states name of the states and their territorial jurisdiction. Which article in the Indian Constitution deals with the promotion of international peace and security? The correct answer is A, Article 51. So, the provision of Article 51 of the Constitution of India embodies an affirmation of that philosophy and ideals. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. Which act or governing document did it replace? The correct answer is B, that is Government of India Act 1935. So, Republic Day is a public holiday in India when the country marked and celebrates the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on, that is 26th January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and turning the nation into a newly formed republic. Which amendment to the Constitution introduced the Goods and Services Tax? That is GST. The correct answer is C, 101, that is 101st Constitution Amendment Act 2016. So, the officially known as the Constitution 101st Amendment Act 2016. This amendment introduced a national goods and service tax in India from 1st July 2017. Which of the following is an non-constitutional body of India? The correct answer is B, that is State Human Rights Commission is a non-constitutional body of India. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with 22 official languages recognized by the Indian Constitution? So, the correct answer is C, that is 8th. So, 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deal with 22 official languages recognized by the Indian Constitution. According to the Indian Constitution, right to education comes under which article? The correct answer is B, that is 21A. So, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act or Right to Education Act is an act of the Parliament of India. Is an act of the Parliament of India enacted on 4th August 2009, which describe the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 in India under Article 21A of the Indian Constitution. Which article of the Indian Constitution specifies the fundamental duties of every citizen? The correct answer is A, 51A. So, the fundamental duties of citizen were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 under Article 51A, Part 4A, upon the recommendations of the Swarna Singh Committee. The Constitution under Article Dash mandates the Election Commission to conduct election to the Parliament and the state legislature. The correct answer is B, 324. So, Article 324 of the Constitution provides that the power of superintendence, direction and control of elections to Parliament, state legislatures and the office of President of India and the office of Vice President of India shall be vested in the Election Commission. Financial emergency is mentioned in which of the following articles of Indian Constitution? The correct answer is C, that is Article 360. So, Article 360 of the Constitution of India empowers the President to proclaim a financial emergency on the following grounds. So, the grounds are: if the President is satisfied that a situation has arisen due to which the financial stability or credibility of India is threatened or in danger. As per the Constitution of India, the subject of livestock and animal husbandry is included in the correct answer is B, that is state list. The definition of money bills is given in which article of the Constitution of India? So the correct answer is A, that is Article 110, the Constitution of India 1949. So right to property according to Indian Constitution is which type of right? The correct answer is B, legal right. So right to property is legal right. Idea of concurrent list, trade and commerce provision of our constitution is absorbed from which country's constitution? The correct answer is B, that is Australia. So the following things has been borrowed from the constitution of Australia. Which of the following article deal with right to constitutional remedies? The correct answer is A, that is Article 32. So Article 32 deals with the right to constitutional remedies or affirms the right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of the right conferred in Part 3 of the Constitution. Which one of the following objectives is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India? The correct answer is B, that is liberty of movement. Under which article of Indian Constitution a constitutional amendment bill can be represented? The correct answer is C, that is Article 368. So amendment the Constitution of India is the process of making changes to the nation's fundamental law or supreme law, and the procedure of amendment in the Constitution is laid down in Article 368 of the Constitution of India. How many fundamental rights, including the right to property, were provided by the Constitution of India originally to its citizen? The correct answer is B, that is 7. If we remove right to property, then there is 6 fundamental rights. Imposition of precedent rule in a state is specified by which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is D, that is Article 356. If a state government is unable to function according to constitutional provision, the union government can take direct control of the state machinery. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for making any special provision for women and children? The correct answer is C, that is 15(3). So Article 15(3) provides for special protective discrimination in favor of women and child, relieving them from the moribund of formal equality. It states that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for women and children. The Finance Commission in India is constituted by the dash under Article 280 of the Constitution. The correct answer is D, that is President. So the Finance Commission are commissions periodically constituted by the President of India under Article 280 of the Indian Constitution to define the financial relations between the central government of India and the individual state governments. Constitution of India has how many parts? The correct answer is C, that is 25. So the Constitution has a preamble and 470 articles which are grouped into 25 parts, and with 12 schedules and 5 appendices, it has been amended 404 times. As per the Constitution of India, panchayats at the intermediate level may not be constituted in a state having a population not exceeding, the correct answer is B, 20 lakhs. The quorum to constitute a sitting of the Lok Sabha is dash of the total number of members of the House under Article 103 of the Constitution of India. The correct answer is A, that is 1/10. Which article of Indian Constitution constitutes abolition of untouchability? The correct answer is A, that is Article 17. So untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with law. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.